Siamo a Roma in occasione della presentazione di 8 dottorati di ricerca cofinanziati da Bristol Myers Squibb e dal Ministero dell'Università e della Ricerca. Qui abbiamo incontrato Michael May, Vice President e Head of European Medical di Bristol Myers Squibb, per parlare di ricerca clinica in Europa, partnership pubblico-private e innovazione terapeutica. Bristol Myers Squibb conduce il 70% dei suoi studi clinici in Europa. Quali sono i fattori che rendono il continente ancora un hub strategico per la ricerca?
Yeah, thank you for that question. Bristol Myers Squibb is a globally acting company. We are very much interested in to do research across the globe, and Europe is still an important factor in doing our clinical research. Why is this the case? First, we have very good science in Europe. We have top experts in different fields of medical research, in neuroscience, in cardiovascular, in oncology, hematology, all areas where BMS is very much interested in. And, transporting the knowledge we gain in our basic research into clinical research from bench to bedside, Europe is a perfect place for doing so. And if also look at the different healthcare systems we have in Europe, it's very much interesting in to go across the continent and to do research in different countries in Europe.
L'Innovative Health Initiative rappresenta una partnership pubblico-privata molto ambiziosa. Quali risultati concreti vi aspettate da questo programma nei prossimi anni?
The Innovative Health Initiative is a very important partner for the industry and especially also for Bristol Myers Squibb. No company of the world can do research alone. So we need the expertise from the experts at the IHA. We need also the innovative thinking and link them together with research capacities, with development capacities BMS has around the globe. So we have a couple of projects ongoing. So when I refer especially to Italy, so we have 28 sites from Italy involved in the partnership, in the consortium between BMS and the IHA, and we will continue to do so. So I expect outcomes in the field of oncology, in the field of CAR T-cell research, but also we're looking at more general healthcare projects, like, for example, monitoring data for special populations like pregnant or breastfeeding patients. So there's a lot going on, but this is really a very intensive partnership looking not only on Europe but only on global outcomes.
In che modo la collaborazione tra industrie, università e istituzioni può accelerare l'arrivo di terapie innovative ai pazienti europei?
It's a little bit related what I've said before. Research is a very resource-intensive field, not only from the costs, but also from the expertise. And if you look also now to new technologies coming in, artificial intelligence, medtech, and so on. So you need all of the players together to accelerate the time, and this is what we are especially looking for: accelerate the time, to develop, to find new targets, and to develop a new product after you have found a new target for patients. And the better you are able to collaborate with the different players I've mentioned before, the faster will you be able to accelerate the process and to make drugs available for patients. And this is our overarching goal, of course.
Avete investito globalmente oltre 28 miliardi di dollari in 3 anni in ricerca e sviluppo. Quali aree terapeutiche ritiene prioritarie per il futuro?
Yeah, very good question. So, Bristol Myers Squibb, is a leader since many, many years in a couple of fields, like, for example, in oncology. That we are seen as a pioneers of checkpoint inhibitors, like in a cardiovascular field, but we are also interested in to look in the new areas. So there's definitely a great unmet medical need is in the field of neuroscience, in Alzheimer diseases, Parkinson diseases, dementia, schizophrenia. These are fields where we would like to invest in the future, but we will also continue to invest in the areas I mentioned before. Another interesting field, of course, where we are looking into is CAR T-cell therapy. So really, where's a need, a great unmet medical need, and where we can be able to make our transformative medicines available for patients.